Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. We're talking about how to make your home smell amazing. I absolutely love scents or anything that's a beautiful thing with a floral, fruity, citrus. Tip number one is always start with my method of all-purpose cleaner, and there's so many different fragrances. This fragrance is apple citrus, and just cleaning the countertops with this fragrance makes the room smell so delicious. When you have a scent that you really love, you will use that cleaner all the time. This is a wonderful scent to the house, and it makes it smell clean and fresh. Another impactful way to make your house smell amazing is through the laundry detergent. I like using Tide with the Downy Spring Booster. These all have a really fresh scent, and I love the way they smell throughout the room and in your home because you're using the boosters, the little boost pebbles on the actual items that you're washing, so it quickly freshens up your space by throwing a load into the laundry. You think that the laundry machines would clean themselves, but they don't, and you get musty laundry. So I'm going to be using a fresh washing machine cleaner. It is just a tiny little pod that you can throw into your machine, and it really cleans it and gets rid of the musty smell. There are a lot of areas of your laundry tub that you should be cleaning, but this one is something that you can use quickly, and it really makes your laundry room smell the best. Add some essential oils to your diffuser. Today I'm using lemongrass and pine needles, and the lemongrass really gives a nice kind of fruity scent, and pine needles. Together it's so fresh and clean. I really love this diffuser because it allows you to put it on for 3 or more hours, so these oils will diffuse into your entire home and really make their way into different areas. It makes it smell super clean, so I think this is an absolute must for any household. If you're having guests over, you put the diffuser on and it smells like you just cleaned your entire house. So let me know in the comments down below if you use an oil diffuser or which oil combinations that make your house smell amazing. Next tip, your kitchen garbage cans. So definitely make sure you're trying to take out your garbage as often as possible and implementing the Febreze scented garbage bags. These really make such a big difference and refresh your garbage can every single time. Baking soda is obviously an amazing way of removing odors, so it's really great to use on carpets and rugs. I like putting it on the rug. Rub absorbs a lot of scents and odors. Then I wait 10 minutes before I vacuum it away. To really give it a nice, strong smell, I add essential oils to the rug, and it makes the entire room smell good. Next tip. The front door entryway is definitely an area that you really want to keep smelling clean and fresh. It's the first room when you walk into the door. I usually keep a candle or a scented plug-in in this area, and it always smells fresh. You can replace your plug-ins every 30 days. Next tip, fresh flowers to any room and make it smell beautiful, fresh and clean. The flowers add greenery or color to a space, and it will purify the air, but they will also give off that different beautiful scent. It's beautiful and decorative, so it will always make your space look great. Another great way to make your kitchen smell amazing is by focusing on your sink. If you clean out your sink, it will smell great. I use a trick, baking soda essential oils. It is a go-to cleaner to clean out my kitchen sink. I'm using tangerine and lemon, and it really gives off a fresh scent. It will start to bubble, and as you're scrubbing, it will polish your sink. So using a sponge or a scrubber can really scrub away the dirt, food, and anything that's really giving a lingering smell. Then I will pour in boiling hot water over the scrubbed mixture. This really is going to wash it away, clean it up, and make your sink look sparkly. Bounce dryer sheets. They have to be my favorite thing to use to really give something an instant refresh. I'm using these dryer sheets to wipe down the furniture around the house, including the sofas, chairs, pillows, and it makes it smell like you put your furniture piece through the washing machine. It's an incredible instant fresh scent. There's always so many scents going on in the bathroom, and here's an amazing way to instantly refresh your space and have a long-lasting smell. I'm using essential oils again, and I'm putting the essential oils in the toilet paper roll. If you pull your toilet paper roll and drop in a little bit of essential oils on the cardboard, every time that roll spins, you'll smell the essential oils diffusing through. The oils will smell throughout the air. I use tangerine, and it smells amazing. Another great way to diffuse scents to the air, but also get some time to relax, is by using some essential oils in your bathtub. So if you're having a bath, you can really make your bathtub feel like a spa experience just by adding some lavender or eucalyptus, tangerine, whatever it is that you want to add to make your bath feel really special, and it makes the entire room smell good. When the bath is running and the essential oils are mixing in the air, it really keeps diffusing constantly. It's a two-in-one thing. You get to have a beautiful bath, and also your room smells great. The final tip is to maintain the smell of your bathroom after you shower or after you have a bath, is to actually use a daily shower cleaner that doesn't require you to rinse out. This is my method, and I just love the smell of it. Like floral but fresh and clean. It smells natural, and it's just amazing. I place it on the tiles, the bathtub, the handles, and it works so great. An easy way of me doing daily cleaning without spending hours to get rid of any musty smell or a wet smell in the bathroom. You can see there are so many amazing ways to make your house smell good, but if all else fails, light a candle and your house will smell amazing. If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.